What is eBook and how does it work? An eBook, short for electronic book, also known as an eBook or eBook, is a book publication made available in electronic form consisting of text, images, or both, readable on the flat panel display of computers or other electronic devices. For trending topics, search in Google Trends.google.com. We can get present trending topics to write ebook. Choose topic worldwide, search in Trends.google, then select topic. I choose ChatGPT software. You choose what you like trending topic. For ebook writing, I use eIPRM ChatGPT for free. Click on an eIPRM ChatGPT, write a complete book on one click, and write prompt: write me 20 pages ebook on how to use ChatGPT.
Go to Google Microsoft Copilot, copy form ChatGPT into an ebook of ChatGPT, paste, give prompt: write me 1000 word Copilot expand ebook. Download option in Copilot as Word and PDF and text. We can choose Word, change anything in format of Word. Edit ebook in your style and accurately. You can change headings and insert images and insert affiliate links for promoting products and so on. After completion of Word, then save as a PDF format. Same thing, do all the ebook PDF and merge as in one ebook. Go to Google Drive and upload ebook for link generation. Click 3 dots, ebook, then share button, and then copy link. You can paste any where you can promote any products for affiliate link.